Okay, for this video, what I'm going to show you is how to get a PDO exception handled for when you do attempt to put in a duplicate product code. I'll just show you how to do it. Let's see, we're going to use draft 10, and let's try it. So this shouldn't work. Okay, and it didn't. But it didn't do anything. It didn't tell the user anything about it. So what we're going to do is let's take this over the side. Just open up the code. And we're going to add in a PDO exception handler. This is my technical support folder. Right here in the model database. Okay, so right here in the try space, and I'm going to set attributes. That is now going to catch it when it has an error and it didn't run your add function like it was supposed to. It's going to catch it and tell us about it. So let's save, refresh, let's add product again. Okay, now it should tell us. Great. Now we got a fatal error, uncaught exception, looks like a duplicate entry of draft 10. That's great. We want to capture this error here and display it in a customized error message. So let's open, and I've already done it. We just want to go to tech support, errors, and I've called mine duplicate code. You'll want to make yours something else. But basically it just says, sorry, your attempt to add a product failed, the product code you entered doesn't exist. And then the error message, it echoes out the actual error message that was here in this error message right here. This one right here. So it displays that in the middle. And then I also left a link at the bottom to return to the add product form. So now we just need to go to our index page and add in the if action with the try block. I'll explain that. So our index page, right down here. Let's move this over. So down here for our add, we were just trying to run it and displaying it. Let's put in a try block and handle that exception for when that error happens. So now we're going to try to do it. If successful, display it. If not successful, display that error message. There's our duplicate code error to include it. Let's save. Let's go back. Let's try it again. There it is. That just shows you how to catch the exception. Here's the error message and return to add product form so the user doesn't just put it in not realizing it had an error and just move on. So I hope that helped a little bit. Thanks a lot for watching.